Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Steve on day 2 of the 90-day video challenge. Today it's about salt, and it's not just for using on fish and chips or popcorn. It's quite good medically. Back in the day with the Greeks, 460 BC, they made frequent use of salt, because without salt they found that things started to rot. Example, 1/3 cow's milk, 1/3 salt water in the morning on an empty stomach can cure disease of the spleen. A mix of salt and honey topically for ulcers. Salt water is used against skin diseases and freckles. I quite like freckles. Yeah, what you see now is the fish market, Billingsgate. If the body doesn't get enough salt, a hormonal mechanism kicks in and reduces the excretion of salt in urine and sweat, but it can't reduce the output to zero. On a completely salt-free diet, the body steadily loses small amounts of salt by the kidneys and sweat gland. It then attempts to adjust this by acceleration in secretion of water, so the blood salt concentration can be maintained at the vital level. Eventually, the result is a gradual desiccation of the body and finally death. In New York City, in 1995, Dr. Jeffrey R. Cutler document no health outcomes benefits of a lower sodium diet. So it shows just use sea salt. Cutting it out is no good. Seawater's got 84 chemicals in the body. Normal refined salt has got 3. That's 81 elements missing, which we need. Salt has more functions, just regulating the water content of the body. There's about 20 here, so I'll read half a dozen or so out. It's vital for balancing the sugar levels in the blood, a needed element in diabetics. It's vital to the extraction of excess acidity from the cells of the body, particularly the brain cells. It's vital to the nerve cells' communication and information processing all the time. Do the brain cells work from the moment of conception to death? It's vital for absorption of food particles through the intestinal tract. It's a strong natural antihistamine. Salt is essential for prevention of muscle cramps. It's vital to making the structure of the bones firm. Osteoporosis in a major way is a result of salt and water shortage in the body. So that's a few basics. There are others on the less, way down on 18 and 17, 16. It's vital for prevention of gout and gouty arthritis. It's vital for maintaining sexuality and libido. It's vital for preventing varicose veins and spider veins on the legs. Again, they emphasise communication and information processing. It's vital. Salt is vital for reducing a double chin. For example, when a body's short of salt, it means the body's really short of water. The salivary glands sense the salt shortage and are obliged to produce more saliva to lubricate the act of chewing and swallowing foods, and also supply the stomach with water it needs breaking down foods. Circulation to the salivary glands increases and the blood vessels become leaky in order to supply the glands with water to manufacture the saliva. The leakiness builds beyond the area of the glands themselves, causing increased bulk under the skin of the chin, the cheeks and into the neck. Unrefined sea salt is a better choice of salt than other types of salt on the market. Ordinary table salt is brought into the supermarkets, been stripped of its companion elements and contains additive elements such as aluminium silicate to keep it powdery and porous. Aluminium is a toxic element in our nervous system. It's implicated as one of the primary causes of Alzheimer's. 20% of the body's salt is in the bones. Osteoporosis results when the body needs more salt and it takes it from the body. Bones are 22% water. It's not obvious what happens. Is it not obvious what happens to the bones when we're deficient in salt or water or both? There's a couple of recipes to make your body sufficient with salt. The simplest way is grind half a teaspoon of sea salt, mix it in water and drink it. Do that for a few days and have a break. The other way, really tech, is a quarter of a cup of sea salt ground, 4 grams of magnesium, 800 grams of potassium, that's about 8 potassium pills at 99 milligrams each. Dried grapefruit rinds, the equivalent of the rind of 1 grapefruit. Dried calendula, about 10 grams. Grapeseed, about 2 grams. Vitamin C, 5 to 8 grams. Turmeric, now that cures everything, 5 grams. 3 drops of Lugol's kelp, high in iodine and other trace minerals. Put in a blender, pulverise to a fine powder. When complete, put in a salt shaker, use on your cooking or finished cooked foods. It's also good as a popcorn salt. It can be used as an alkalizer, sodium and mineral balancer. And that's it really. So without salt, your history. But as with everything to do with herbs, due diligence. And you can do your own research. Don't listen to what other people say. All it is giving you an idea of what can be done. And that's it for day 2 video challenge. Have a good evening, morning or afternoon, wherever you are. See you tomorrow. Bye.